Gina from WTI. I am loving these LOTTELI air fryer liners because they are helping to protect my air fryer from damage. They help with cleanup, and I can use them in replacement of parchment paper. I don't want to scratch up or damage the coating on my air fryer basket when I use metal utensils. You can tell that these are super quality liners. The silicone is really thick but flexible. They wash up easily and they're dishwasher safe. I think it's amazing that I can use it when I bake cookies or do other baking in the air fryer. I got the 3-pack of 7.5-inch liners. They fit my air fryer perfectly, and I love the variety of colors and the fact that there's 3 so that I can use one and not have to wash it immediately if I want to use my air fryer again. I thought it was so awesome that the company included this cheat sheet on air fryer cooking times. It's magnetic, so I can just put it on anything metal in my kitchen. If you haven't gotten air fryer liners yet, you really should. I recommend these ones from LOTTELI, and that's my point of view.